We're going to try to fix this Shure Beta 58 microphone today. Welcome to Tuesday DJ Gig Tips, by the way, brought to you by Vibo, the music planning app. So here's what happened. I was playing around with that little club system I was building, and I tried this microphone on it. It worked fine, but no switch, so I got a switched mic. That's another video. But when I went to pull the XLR cable off of the mic like this, push down on this bit here and pull it out, the whole wiring thing came out. And I ended up with this thing flopping here. I stuck it back in and realized that when you do stick it back in, it goes all the way in if you're not careful. So I looked at it and I saw this little screw hole. I'm like, what the heck is that? But I'm thinking, okay, I got to find a screw for this. I Googled it, and you couldn't get just a screw. You had to get like a whole thing, and it was not what I wanted to pay for a screw. So I thought, well, here's what I'm going to do in a video. I'm going to take this microphone here. I can see there's a screw here. I'm going to take the screw out, and I'm going to take it to the hardware store and find a screw that fits and share that with you. And then I got to thinking, maybe I should look at this a little closer. So I did, and I noticed that in here, there are screws. Wow, look at that. Now I've got one here, and I've got one here. They haven't fallen out. They've actually come in. Actually, that's not a screw. But instead of a screw going into it, you back a screw off to fit in that hole, and it's supposed to keep it there. So let's see if we can fix this today on the bench. So if we look at these casings side by side, they're incredibly similar. I don't know what this hole's for, but this hole on this microphone is for the screw. So I need to line up the set screw right here with this last hole. I would never recommend putting a microphone in a vise, but I have one hand. What are you going to do? You might notice there's a little notch right here. That notch is right here on this plug too. This little raised bit. So that all has to line up, and the holes have to line up. I got these cool little microphone or vise polyurethane jaws, I guess, from my friend Owen. He used to work for Ape. All right, so I'm going to slowly put this in and kind of watch what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and wait until I can see that set screw in the hole. I think that's it right there. Maybe it's got to go this way. I don't know that. Here we go. Backing it off, backing it off, backing it off, backing it off, backing it off. Okay, I can see that it's raised up in there. You can probably see it too. And it stopped. Doesn't want to come out any further. That's probably a good thing. So, yeah, I can't move it anymore. Now let's see if I can grab a hold of one of these things and pull it out. Oh no, we did it. It's fixed. And now for the test. Plug the XLR cable back in here. Lines up on that groove. Clicks in. Fine, let's unplug it. And look, it's all done. So yeah, we just fixed a microphone today. This was something that was going to go into a pile of I need to fix stuff, but I didn't want to do that. And I thought it'd make for an interesting video. Something I'd never had to deal with before. So yeah, if you have that problem, have a look and make sure that your set screw hasn't gone in for some reason. If it has, just back it out. It's that simple. Really, just got to look at it. So there you go. There's our Tuesday DJ Gig Tip for this Wednesday. Hope it helps somebody. Maybe in 50 years somebody will watch this video and say, hey, it's exactly what I needed. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.